Hello everyone, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Today I will be showing you my ultimate moisture wash and go. If you want to find out how I got this hair, then stay tuned and keep watching. Okay everyone, so diving right in, I'm going to start off with the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate and Repair Multi-Action Leave-In with Mafira and Baobab Oils. Now this name is long as I don't know what. I've never use this product, but I'm super excited. I'm going to start off by sectioning my hair. So I'm going to take a few pumps in my hand. Not that much. This smells really good. It smells like something that maybe my mom would use when I was a little girl or something. Even though my mom used grease, and that's okay because that was in then, but it's not now. Okay, so then next I'm gonna go in with my Uncle Funky's Daughter Good Hair. This is the conditioning styling cream, and with this you gotta be really careful. So I'm only gonna take 2 pumps, and this, I don't know why I sniff it every time. This smells like bananas, and I like it, but it's not like an overpowering bananas. Like if you're a person that doesn't like the smell of bananas, you won't mind this one because it's just not that type of product. So just gonna make sure this is evenly coated in my hair. You can see how they're starting to clump. Then I'm gonna do this nice little praying hands method. Bow. Okay. Then I'm going to go in with the Uncle Funky's Daughter Curly Magic. Ooh. And I'm only going to take 1 pump of this because this stuff comes out, okay? Then I'll go in on this section. And you can see they're nice and clumpy. Now, I know that this looks like super moisturized, but I'm actually gonna go ahead and put my oil. So normally I don't use this many products, but my friend Diamond, she put on Twitter what product she used, and I was like, my hair doesn't like that. Like, it used to matte really bad, but then I tried it last week and I actually really liked it. Now I think she used 2 creams, but instead I'm just actually using the leave-in and a cream. So this is what I'm going in with, and as you can see, it's really clumping, and I'm loving it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing to this side of my head. So with this side of my head, I'm going to go back in with a little water because it's had a little time to dry out, so it's not as moisturized. And the wetter your hair, the better your product takes. Oh my God. Whoo child. So I'm gonna go in with the same process. Back with the leave-in. 2 more of that. Then going back in with the Good Hair from Uncle Funky's Daughter. And what I like about this, y'all see this? It's melting on in. I like that. Also, you guys, don't forget to get towards your roots. Alright, going in with the Curly Magic. I'm always wasting something on myself. I don't know why, I really like this little shake and jiggle thing. You can see them like clumping back. Okay, then I'm going in. I don't think I announced what I was using last time as far as my oils, but I am using, I'm sorry you guys, I have hair everywhere. I am using Camille Rose, and I'm about to butcher this, Nangai and Subaki Strength Restore. Just a little bit of that going in. I find putting the oil on the top definitely helps me to lock in that moisture, which is why I like the leave-in cream gel oil better than like the LCO method or the lock method, because I feel like the gel really helps it last longer in general, and I like to use moisturizing gels at that. Like I try not to use gels that have alcohols in them, but that's just me. And then I'm just gonna do the rest of my head, and we're gonna speed this up, so stay tuned to get some results. So as you guys can see, I do have like a few little white specks in here, but a lot of that's just the product. It's not like that, I guess you could say that like crundle, pretty much like that nasty stuff that you can't get out of your hair. It's just the product that's sitting on top of my hair because I have too much. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this microfiber towel that I think I got at Marshall, so meaning it was pretty affordable. So I'm gonna take this microfiber towel and I'm just going to scrunch my hair in it, and this is gonna help speed up the drying process because I am going to let it air dry for a little bit. If it's still too wet when I go to sleep, then I'm just gonna go ahead and try to diffuse it a little bit. But I think that'll be okay because the time right now is later than I thought it was gonna be. It's actually 9:22. But I'm gonna go ahead and scrunch this out, let it air dry for a little bit, and then after it's dry, I'm gonna put it up in a pineapple and I will show you the results when it dries, which is probably gonna be in the morning before work. But here we have the full process. So I'm actually gonna let it dry like this because I do have a front fringe. I know it looks creepy, but I'm a cute creepy. Still be popping, okay? What's good? Anyway, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for results. Alrighty, so here we have the next morning. I'm just gonna go ahead and take my scarf off because you know I woke up like this, face beat and all. So I'm just gonna go ahead and shake my hair a little bit. So right now I'm kind of like going through my hair, see if I slept on any curls the wrong way to make them straighten out, and I didn't. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start fluffing it out, do a little shake, you know, all that good stuff that us naturally curly girls and guys like to do. I want to apologize for how the color came out. I know it looks like I have a filter on it, but I actually don't. So the way that my lighting was set up bounced off my shirt, so that's the color that my camera took.
Don't worry, you guys, I'll fix that next time. But while you're here, please don't forget to leave a comment. I get a lot of DMs commenting on the video, but please just leave your comments right underneath here. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. Subscribe. Thank you so much for tuning in. And yeah, go ahead and share this with your friends. Thanks for watching. See ya. Oh, gotta get a little earring cute. Oh, ooh, how, hey, see ya. Mwah.